Okay, this video is how to print vinyl on the Mimaki. First step, you're going to want to open the Mimaki Rasterlink. It's right here on the desktop. You want to make sure that the actual Mimaki printer is turned on, ready to go, and set to remote. I'll show that in a different video. Just wait a minute for it to load up. Alrighty, once that's loaded, we're going to print the DTs here. Just to show you that you can do it, you can arrange items together. Just going to tell it yes, but then when we look at it, it's too wide. We don't want to print all that, so we're going to separate that again. But if you have less than 6 pages across, you probably want to put more than one file together, so you're maximizing the vinyl. Right now we're just going to print this part. You're going to want to click here and move that up one. It sets it all the way to the bottom. If you print it like that, it's going to not print the crop marks on the bottom, and it will waste that vinyl. So I've talked to the tech guy about this, and it's supposed to automatically put it up, but it doesn't for some reason, so we have to do it manually every time. Again, you just want to make sure that this is not all the way to the bottom, like that. You want to move it at least one up. If you hit the arrange in the center, you can also move this around, left or right. And if you have more than one file, you can arrange those files so that you're maximizing the room. Next step, once that's all set, you're going to hit the little printer. You always want to make sure that this is on print and cut. This should be set to immediate print one time, and then you just hit start. This will go through the process. It'll send the information to the printer. Generally, you want to make sure that you watch that printer when it first starts, just so that you can make sure that the vinyl is feeding through the machine properly, and that is all there is to it.